Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay, kung ano man ang ating mabasa, ma-reading, no? So, yun ang ating titingnan. Yun ang ating babasahin. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating po sa ating mga items, okay, yung ating mga charms, so evil eye items, so evil eye protection, so ring, okay, necklace, bracelet, so andito sila lahat, okay, so ring, andito yung ating bracelets and yung ating necklace. Okay? Yung necklace natin is ganito. Yes. Nice to. In person. So, this is non-tarnished and hypoallergenic. Okay? So, ganyan siya. Meron siyang blue stone sa kanyang center. Meron ding extender yung kanyang chain. Okay? So, yan yung ating necklace. So, ito yung ating dalawang sample ng bracelet. So, isang garterized and isang adjustable. Yung adjustable po is available in red strings. Okay, so ito po yung may initial ng magmamayari. Okay, and this is unisex. And, syempre, pagdating sa ating 2-in-1 love and money. Okay, money and love bracelet. So, bakit may money? Kasi meron na po siyang citrine stone. Okay, meron siyang citrine. Yan, citrine. So, ano po yung meron sa citrine? Citrine ay mga money magnet. Okay, it's like crystals na talagang kumukuha, nagmamagnet, okay, ng money. And, pagkaka-research ko, ang citrine stone is pwede rin talaga sa love, no? So, 'di ba? So, tamang-tama na magkasama sila dito sa ating bracelet na to. Kung ikaw ay okay naman sa love and medyo kailangan mo sa pera, so ito rin for you, pwede rin sa iyo to. Kung baliktad man, pwede rin. Okay, kung gusto mo pareho, pwede, no? So, again, kung ikaw lalaki, gusto mo nito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch. Okay? And, syempre, requirement ko, kung itong gusto mo, kailangan ko ng real name mo. Okay? Hindi naman siguro mahirap ibigay yung real name. Kasi iba talaga yung iba. Oo, pahirapan sa real name. Ay, ayoko po ibigay yung What? Sa'yo to. Paano natin yun gagawin? No? Oo, so, love and money. So, kailangan din proteksyonan yung inyong frequency, yung inyong energies. Okay, every time na meron tayong ganitong mga charms para ang mamamanifest is magaganda. Or sabihin nating buo. Okay? Buo, walang basag, parang ganyan. So, ang ibig sabihin, hindi na evil eye. Okay, buo mong makukuha. So, yun po Same lang din dito kay grantor. Okay? Same lang kay grantor. So, si grantor taga-grant ng mga minamanifest mo. Okay? Taga-grant ng minamanifest. Kung ano man, visa, ma-hired ka sa trabaho, promotion, parang ganyan. Okay? So, ito yun. So, again, proteksyonan ang inyong energy sa pamamagitan ng evil eye protection. So, this is made to order, yung ating grantor necklace. Okay? Made to order, this is non-tarnished, hypoallergenic, and yung chain niya is 20 inches long. Okay? 20 inches. Yes. So, unisex yung ating grantor necklace. And, chan-chararan, cha-chan. Yung ating pampatanggal alat, pampatanggal MALAS, yung ating cord cut. Okay, so may kanya-kanya yung stone sa loob para mabalanse muli, okay, nang magandahan ang inyong energy. Kasi syempre tatanggalin niya yung mga hindi na dapat na energy na nakakabit pa sa'yo. Okay, hindi natin alam kung sino nagbibigay sa iyo ng alat. Diba? So, in general, all in all, aalisin niya yung mga nagbibigay ng pabigat sa'yo. Energetically. Okay? Para mas maging magaan sa pamimera, maging magaan pagdating sa love life, lahat-lahat. Okay? So, ito po yun. Pwede yung gamitin din sa business. Okay? Itong ating cord cut. Para mas maging maganda ang flow. Money flow. Diba? So, yeah, pwedeng pagsamahin si bracelet and yun. Kasi siya yung magtatanggal nga eh, di ba? And yeah, oo, kung may tanong, message po. Again, sa akin pong FB page, yes. Iwasan sa comment section, opo. Kasi may tsansa at malaki ang tsansa talaga nang magre-reply sa inyo is yung mga gumagaya sa aming page. Okay, gumagaya or mga nakaabang na scammers. Ha? Okay, so let's see. What's for our air signs? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. What is for you? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Hanged Man in reversed. High Priestess. May mag-share ng secret sa'yo. Could be ngayong araw. Okay, may mag-share ng secret sa'yo. Okay, may lalabas something. Meron ditong mabibigyan ng kasagutan, kalinawan, something like that. I think, yeah, this could be family or relatives related. Okay, so yeah, I'm hearing rumors like chismis. Okay, so it's like, so ito na nga, o diba, may mga ganong bagay. Sa ganun nagsisimula, ha, yun yung nakikita kong opening spiel na magsasabi sa'yo. So ito na nga, air sign. Pag ganun na talaga no. Oo, nakita ko sa 9 of Cups, wish fulfillment. Okay, so what else for you air signs? 3 of Swords, Death in reverse. Okay, this is energy of healing. Yeah, healing. Some of you, this is like rebirth. Okay, struggles. I'm seeing here struggles, pero sabihin natin may magandang resulta in the end. Okay, some of you pwedeng related ito sa mga pinoprocess. Okay, meron din ako nakikitang parang ongoing. Pwedeng this could be legal matter, legal issue, parang ganyan. Okay, yeah, the Chariot. May chance rin dito na pwedeng usapan like legal pagdating sa sasakyan, parang ganyan. May i-fix, may aayos. Some of you, kung ikaw yung parang nadihado, ikaw pa rin mananalo. Okay? Like that. What else for you air signs? 5 of Wands. Devil. Okay, so I'm hearing sex. Yeah, sex. With a younger water sign. What is this? Anong meron dito? Anong kailangan mong malaman? If you're having sex with a younger water sign, anong meron? The Knight of Cups in reversed. Temperance in reversed. May chance na may magbago dito actually. Okay? Some of you, there's this drama. I don't know why. Yeah, Knight of Swords in reversed. Some of you, there could be 2 person dito na into you. Physically, or sabihin nating attracted sa'yo physically. They're thinking of you sexually, I guess. Okay? They're thinking of you sexually. Yeah, they're into you. Okay? Some of you, if you're dealing with somebody who is younger, may chance na pwedeng they're just after your money. Parang ganun. After lang is yung pera mo. Could be. Okay? Or the benefits. Yeah. Nakakuha sila ng fairness from you, I think. Yeah. So there, yun ang aking nakikita for you, air signs. Yun lamang. So next, fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, let's see. And let's check what's for you, fire signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, yung ating second YouTube na nasa description box below, don't forget na i-visit. Okay, so fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The Page of Pentacles in reversed. Meron kayong hindi nababasa na message. Pwedeng nasa spam, message request, like that. Okay, important. What's with this Page of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, message na hindi mo pa nababasa. Or maybe there's this somebody wanting na mag-reach out sa'yo, pero hindi nila kaya. Yeah. They're like hiding. Hiding. Some of you, there could be from your past. Okay? From your past. This is like a past energy. Wanting to communicate, maybe. Na, the King of Wands in reverse, the King of Swords. Pwede itong taong to is parang hindi mo kayang pagkatiwalaan. Okay, yun lang. Hindi mo kayang pagkatiwalaan na. Okay, the Ace of Cups. There could be a new love interest. Ten of Swords. Some of you, this is talking about healing. Healing process. The Ace of Swords in reverse, King of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo may chance na makakuha ng closure. Okay, closure message. Na pwedeng nagbibigay pa rin sa'yo ng mga confusion kasi hindi mo pa rin makuha yung kasagutan na gusto mo. May chance na pwedeng meron ng ibibigay or meron ng may sosooli. Some of you. Okay? May isa sa uli. Pero ang nakikita ko dito, this is kailangan na ng moving on or kailangan na ng healing dito sa connection na to. Okay? Na hindi mo na raw kailangang hintayin para lang makapag-move on ka. Yeah. Nasa ganitong energy yung iba sa inyo. Or an air sign. Or a water sign, maybe, ang nasa ganitong situation. Some of them, they can't, eat. They're losing sleep. Okay? Somebody's afraid to reach out, some of you. Meron dito nakukonsensya. Okay? Kasi meron siyang parang nababackstab. I don't know. But it could be related sa workplace. Okay, meron dito ng konsensya kasi parang meron siya nakita something na kailangan niyang sabihin, kailangan niyang i-share. Or pwedeng ikaw ito na kailangan mong mag-share ng kung ano man para maialis mo or malesen kung ano man yung mga burdens, no? Nasa dibdib mo. Anyway, so what else? Kailangan ng iba, yung iba sa inyo kailangan niyo ng kausap. Kailangan niyang kausap. Kung wala kayong makakausap, sulat nyo yung mga gusto nyo sabihin and then burn it. Pagos nyo. King of Cups in reverse. Somebody's into you. Could be a water sign. Big water sign placements. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, there's, new love interest maybe, or maybe sabihin natin new person. They're into you. Yeah, Judgment. The Star, Two of Cups. May parating po, ha? This is a green flag, I think. May chance na pwedeng itong taong to is parang na talaga sa'yo. Okay? Hindi mo pa nakikita. Hindi mo pa nakikita to. Some of you kasi you're still in the process of healing, in the process of moving on. May chance na may blockage, ikaw mismo gumagawa ng blockage para hindi makapasok tong connection na to na bago or sabihin nating maganda. Yeah, there's blockage, the Two of Wands. May bibigay sa'yo si Universe. Let's see. Yeah, the Hierophant. Pwedeng may marriage na rito. Sa totoo lang. Pwedeng may marriage na kasama. Kung ito ay ihintulutan mo na pumasok sa pamamagitan pagiging okay, having peace of mind, having self-love, okay, being happy. Forgiveness, kung kailangan nyo magbigay ng forgiveness kung kanino. Okay, so let's see. Water signs. Okay. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Messages. Ano bang meron? Messages for our water signs. Ay, nako. One more. Shadow silang dikit-dikit. Okay, let's shuffle more. Water signs. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Water signs. Ito, I'm hearing a channeled message. Yung nanay mo daw or yung tatay mo hindi nagtitiwala sa'yo. I don't know why. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Somebody needs to hear that. The Emperor. Could be an employer, your boss. Anong meron? Ooh! Oh! The Lovers. Some of you, your boss could be, sabihin natin, may chance na they're into you. They're into you. Or in general, I'm hearing, pwedeng meron kang matanggap na offer. Could be partnership. Okay? Pero yeah, in general, there's this offer coming in for you na may sabihin nating kinakailangan ng pagdedesisyon. Mature na pagdedesisyon. King of Wands. Yeah. Mas malakas ang energy patungkol sa workplace. May offer ng travel or may offer abroad, some of you. Yeah, Page of Pentacles, offer abroad. There's an offer. Some of you, ikaw itong makakahanap ng kakonect or yeah, a relationship like this is physical. Kasi mas okay sa akin kung 2 of Cups to. Pero I think the Lovers, this is just physical. Okay? A physical connection. Could be romantic. Okay? Yeah, the Star. Some of you, you've manifested this. Yeah, the Magician. Minanifest mo to. Pero yun nga lang parang nasa low vibrational pa. Kasi it's just saying na it's more on physical, not on the emotional side. Okay? Pwedeng makakonect mo na yung taong nakalaan para sa'yo, water sign. Could be an Aries, Gemini, earth sign. The Moon. Oh. May sikretong mabubunyag. I don't know kung ano to. This is mga pagsisinungaling na pwedeng mabunyag or somebody na pwedeng magsasabi lang ng totoo sa'yo. Okay? Pwedeng sa isang meeting, conversation, labasan ng loob. Oo. May maglalabas ng sama ng loob. I don't know. I'm hearing meeting. Okay? Anong meron? May magbabayad. I'm getting CCTV. Para may mga ganyang bagay. Anyway. So, some of you, kung sino man itong magsasabi ng totoo, pwedeng inisip na nila yun ng maraming beses. Kaya sila mag-open up sa'yo. Inisip na nila to ng maraming beses bago sila mag-open up. Water sign, could be Pisces and air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. What else? The 3 of Cups. I'm hearing, secret affair pagdating po sa workplace. A secret affair sa workplace. Secret affair with a boss. With an employer, I think. Na pwedeng malaman. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Some of you, ikaw itong magre-reject ng kaibigan. Or ikaw itong kailangan mag-reject ng isang kaibigan. Anong meron? Yeah, the sun in reverse. Maybe siguro ito ay biglaan, kaya hindi ka agad makaka-oo. It's like a biglaan, yakag. Yeah, 10 of Pentacles. Pwedeng okasyon ang pupuntahan. Parang okay, sige, ay hindi mo na ako makakasama pala. Parang ganun, or hindi pala ako makakasama nga kasi ganito, may gagawin ako today, whatsoever. Yeah, see, the 2 of Pentacles. Ay, may gagawin ako eh. Ay, hindi ako makakasama. Biglaan kasi to. Parang ganyan. Something came up, some of you. Yan ang naririnig ko. Pero kung mayroong mga biglaang aya, biglaang invitations, may chance na pwedeng i-reject mo to. Okay? Some of you, meron kayong mga kaibigang hindi totoo at hindi tapat. Okay? They're jealous, some of them. They are. Next. Oops. Next is earth signs. Okay, so earth signs. What is for you? Mensahe, gabay, prediction. Again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's see, what is for our earth signs? The 4 of Pentacles, savings. Saving money, being ready, I think, for the rainy days. What's for this? Oh. The 6 of Wands. May mga tao na sabihin nating humahanga sa'yo. Okay? Humahanga. Pero merong ganito. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Anong meron? Anong kailangan malaman? Ano tong 4 of Wands? I don't know, 4 of Pentacles. What's with this? Yeah. The Page of Swords. Meron ditong some of you, ikaw itong pinag-uusapan. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinag-uusapan nila kasi ang nakikita ko dito, tago. Okay? Talking behind your back. Yeah. People sees you, or sabihin natin, people is watching you. They have something. Yeah, the 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Pwedeng ang mga taong ito na talagang pinapanood ka, no? Some of you. Naku-curious sila. May mga tao na curious sa inyo earth signs. Paano ka nagkakaroon ng ganito? Paano ka nakakuha ng ganyan? Something like that. So, the energy ng mga taong nakatingin sa'yo is curiosity. Okay? They're curious. Pinag-uusapan ka behind your back. So, hindi natin maiiwasan magkaroon ng negative or positive comments, no? The 5 of Wands. may taong nagseselos or parang naiinggit sa'yo, earth sign. Atong 5 of Wands, the Hierophant, challenge, could be sa workplace, career mo, business, school, relationship. Okay, challenge. Okay. So, I'm hearing occasion, an occasion, recognition for some of you. Pwedeng anak mo, sabihin natin na makasama sa honor. Aakyat ka ng stage. Yeah. Sabihin natin yung energy is maganda. Okay? A challenge. Pwedeng may mananalo. Pwedeng may makakapasa. Mga ganong energy. And I'm hearing pregnancy for some of you. Tulungan. Meron din ako nakikitang tulungan with your relatives. An occasion, some of you, ang nakuha ko dito. Get-togetherness, mga ganyang bagay. May nakikita ko dito na pwedeng an idea pagdating sa isang travel. So, some of you, ikaw itong mag-iipon for that travel, may chance na mangyari yon. May chance na mag-manifest. Okay? So, yeah. That's nice. What else for you, earth signs? 2 of Cups reversed. The 7 of Cups. Ang nakukuha ko dito is falling out of love. Falling out of love. There's injustice. Yeah, justice in reversed. Okay. Somebody is not ready or hindi makapili. Yeah, Queen of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng meron ditong hindi makapagbigay ng label kasi hindi ready or sabihin natin hindi pa pwede. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse. Hindi pa makapagbigay ng label pagdating sa connection kasi somebody is under pa ng kung anumang legal matter. Kailangan may ma-fix. Kaya pwedeng nagdadala rin ng confusion, uncertainty, kasi nga hindi pa makapag-settle because of that. Okay? Yeah, the 6 of Cups. There could be kids involved here, asawa, mga ganyan. Okay? So, ano tong Queen of Swords? Tingnan natin. Some of you, ini-stalk ka. They're stalking you. Yeah, the Knight of Swords. The Magician. So, I think somebody may malakas mag-manifest dito na may mangyaring ending sa part ng isa. This is sabihin natin hindi lang manifest kasi sinasamahan ng action. Okay? Sinasamahan ng action. So, may mangyaring pagbabago, may mangyaring ending sa kung kaninong part. Okay? Yeah, may pag-alis. Ayan, 5 of Pentacles. So, may chance na mayroong gugulong, no? Na kaso, parang ganyan, if this is legal. So, merong mabibigyan. Okay? May mabibigyan ng may pipirma, parang ganyan. Magkakaroon na ng closure, settlement, some of you. Okay? So there, yeah. Yun ang ating reading for you all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page and yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Yeah, don't forget rin. Kung may tanong po, muli sa message po, wag sa comment section. Again, thank you. Goodbye!